we ask that you continue supporting the house program. Many county governments have made land available, and we are very, very grateful. And we want to urge that those who have not been able to identify land for the affordable housing program to continue doing so that we can create affordable housing for our people. And this is a program between the counties and the national government, and we ask for your support. There is a matter that we have been handling on drugs and substance abuse. And the truth of the matter is that after a few meetings with stakeholders in Rift Valley, in the central Kenya region, in the coast region and other areas, it has been established that after the advent of devolution and the function of licensing was removed from NACADA to the county governments, everything seems to have gone haywire. As a result, almost every establishment in the rural setting has been licensed as a bar and restaurant. That has created a huge problem with our security officers. They are not able to deal with drunkenness. They are not able to deal with illicit brews because every establishment is licensed by the county government. We are requesting the county governments to consider to partner with the national government administration, with NACADA, with the National Police Service, and create one committee that can look into the issues of licensing, as well as the Ministry of Health, so that we can work together to harmonize the licensing policy. As it is, the matter is out of hand, and we are unable as a national government to police the distribution of illicit liquor because it's finding its way into licensed establishments by the county governments, and it becomes difficult to take action against people who are licensed. We'll be proposing through the COG a multi-sectoral approach to issues of licensing so that the National Police Service can give an input, the National Government Administration can give an input, and NACADA can give an input so that we can bring some sanity into the issues of licensing. Again, we are asking the county governments to consider the establishment of rehabilitation centers in each and every county to deal with the patients. Even as we try to fight alcoholism and drug abuse, the truth of the matter is that quite a sizable portion of the population is addicted and is sick.